Hey, what's up, y'all? Let's do this. So this is the complete way that we test internally the app. We go to the app first, we touch it, and we do this every time in correspondent with a survey that we do here on the GoPro. on the RapidPro with this video on the GoPro. So you see we have this survey set up, SayCel testing, and we start the flow. And the same time that we're doing the testing here or observing the test subject's response with the video, I'm also inputting information like device and other information. So for example, the first part of the testing is for them to dial a number. So we give them a number to dial. Let's just say, give them this number here, 41969. Oh, gone too much. Call. So again, the same time normally, I mean, I can't do two things at one time, but normally we would do this. So you can see it's working here. The same time that this test subject is doing this test that I'm going through, I would be inputting information to the RapidPro. But just for this video's sake, I'm just doing the initial testing. So we do that first call, then we go to the directory. We make the subject choose one of these numbers to call. So let's call the radio. So we call the radio. We make them call the radio. Make them touch it, call. It's a great way to see that maybe two calls could go through back to back. You know, it's going through. Dumb phone coming in. Great. There's that problem that was reported earlier. That was already covered. So then another part of the testing is the share. Remember, we do this with each person, each section, to be able to check responses with the fingers and also to be able to, you know, see any possible bugs or errors that are coming up. So we do the share now. We touch the share. We do each one of these individual. We do SMS first. In this circumstance, it's not working. Many of the times we've been doing this test, it has not been working. I give it a few seconds to load and nothing. We go back. Test the next share button, the what's up. We make the subject actually send a WhatsApp message to a friend with the link. So here we go with this. We'll just send someone like this person. Send it. Send a message. So the message just got sent out. To make sure it got sent out, we go back. And we do the next one, Facebook. We do this with each one. I know it seems a little tedious. For time's sake for this video, I'm not going to do it how I'm just kind of explaining. If it was a real test subject, I would make them log in and share this message to make sure that it's working. We go down to the final one. We do the Twitter. Again, the same idea. If this was a real test subject, I would fill out these and the email and make them send it. So those are all working. Almost all of them are working. We went through almost all of them. Only the SMS really not working. So we tried the next link, which is the GitHub link. Again, we do this with each internal test we do because it's about volume of testing. You know, the more we can actually test it. We do the comments too. That would be the final thing that I do. We send it. And that's it. That's it for the internal testing, because remember, we do this with each test and we do it with each link because we're trying to see if errors have come up. Errors have actually come up. There's been times, like I've explained in other videos, that we've had errors come up, but it might seem a little tedious, but it's good. Again, we do the call. We call a number. We make them call a number. We do a directory. We give them the choice of whichever number they want to choose in the directory. And we do each link in the share. We do the actual share with all the social media. We do the tests for the GitHub link, and we make them send a comment. So that's how we are doing the internal testing as of now for every time, every user. We also are complementing them with a observation where we're putting down if the call went through at the same time. So this is so far what we're doing with our internal testing here. So hope you enjoy it.